Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am back again with something new for you today as well. What is that? So far, we have used this artificial intelligence tool, Chat GPT, to understand how can we actually, better our vocabulary, how can we actually accelerate our grammar practice, etc. Today, we are going to understand how can Chat GPT, you know, can help us in our creative writing. Okay. So let's get started. Let me quickly share my screen with you. And here we go. So, friends, this is the platform. Okay. If you have not checked my previous videos on ChatGPT, how can ChatGPT help you better your grammar, expand your vocabulary? These are the two videos that I've made earlier. Please make sure that you go to the description and quickly watch those videos because they are going to be of utmost use to you. Okay. To better your English quotient, to uplift your English quotient. Yeah, friends. So here we are on the screen of Chat GPT. Okay, and the URL says chat.openai.com/chat. Okay, now please go to this URL, set up your account, and from there you can get started. Okay, so let's understand, let's type something. Okay, uh, let me type something and let's ask ChatGPT to make an essay on it. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will do. So write an essay of 150 words on what? What can be the topic? Let's take this topic. What cannot be measured what can't be measured? Okay, what can't be measured can't be managed. Okay, so this is the topic. What can't be measured can't be managed. Okay, now let's see if ChatGPT can give us something, some ideas, some inputs, and create 150 words essay on it. Okay, yo, we are getting something. We're getting something. Okay. So let's understand, let's read what ChatGPT has to say about it. The statement, what can't be measured, can't be managed, is a popular adage in the world of business and management. Very rightly said, huh? It implies that if you cannot quantify something, you cannot control it or make informed decisions about it. While the statement may hold some truth, it is not entirely accurate. Okay. There are certain intangible aspects of business and management that cannot be measured, such as employee morale, company culture, brand reputation. These factors can be critical to the success of organization and they cannot be managed by simply measuring them. Well, I don't agree with this. Okay. Intangible aspects like the company culture, the brand reputation, the employee morale can definitely be measured. How can you measure it? You can look at the attrition of the company. Okay. You can look at the labor retention, talent retention index. Okay, and you can conclude that there are certain aspects like company culture, brand reputation, which is actually holding the employee back. Okay, preventing them to leave the company. So, well, I don't completely agree with this, but yes, that's what the opinion of ChatGPT is. Okay, then further it says, in fact, attempting to measure everything can be counterproductive. Okay, that's true. So if you tend to measure anything and everything, you are actually killing your productivity. Over reliance on metrics can lead to a narrow focus on short-term results at the expense of long-term sustainability and growth. Okay. Additionally, not all metrics are created equal and some may be misleading and irrelevant too. Okay, while metrics can be helpful in providing insight and guide decision making, it is important to recognize their limitations. Effective management requires a combination of quantitative and qualitative analysis, as well as the ability to make decisions based on intuition and experience. Well, pretty impressive. Okay, so yes, ChatGPT has very well brought out the thoughts on what can't be measured, can't be managed. Okay. Now, what will you take away from this? Are you going to just copy paste what is given to you by Chat GPT, or will you actually nurture your creative skills? Yeah, what is it? Okay, well, I would suggest you can definitely resort to Chat GPT, an artificial intelligence tool, to just get the base, to get the crux of the topic. Okay, now whatever is given here, try to put it in your own words. Okay, if you really want to level up your English quotient, if you really want to become better, okay, in this language, just pick up this as a base idea and try to give your own words to the sentences that are given by ChatGPT. That's the first step, how you can better your practice. Okay, how you can nurture your creative thinking in English. How should you start thinking in English? All these answers, all these questions, an answer for this is same. Use it as a tool. Okay, type things, take the base idea, take the crux, and start putting things in your own words. That's definitely going to help you all, friends. Okay, let's type something else too. Uh, let's type a factual topic. Okay, so methods to reduce poverty in India. Write an essay of 150 words. Okay, let's see. It should have been methods actually. Anyways, let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Okay, so here it goes. Yeah, it is saying poverty is a major problem in India, with a large proportion of the population living below the poverty line. There are various methods that can be implemented to reduce poverty in India. One method is to provide education and skill development programs to the poor. This will enable them to acquire knowledge and skills needed to secure better paying jobs and improve their economic situation. The government can also promote entrepreneurship by providing financial assistance and technical support to small business. Another method is to improve access to basic amenities, right? Such as healthcare, sanitation, and clean drinking water. This can be done through the construction of more healthcare facilities and the implementation of sanitation and hygiene programs. Not bad. The government can also implement policies that promote equitable distribution of wealth and resources. This can be achieved through progressive taxation, land reforms, and other measures aimed at reducing income inequality. Okay. Furthermore, the government can provide direct support to the poor in the form of social welfare programs such as food subsidies, cash transfers, employment guarantee schemes. In conclusion, reducing poverty in India requires a multi pronged approach that includes education, skill development, access to basic amenities, equitable distribution of wealth, and social welfare programs. Not bad at all. Okay. However, please do not just completely depend on whatever is given by ChatGPT. Okay, level up your English, take efforts to work on your English and nurture your creativity by at least taking the base idea, as I said earlier, and you can use these sentences and just write it in your own words. That's how you will nurture your English skills and your creativity skills as well, and your creativity as well, creative thinking as well. Okay, now, so if you're a parent, okay, and if you are a bit reluctant to talk in English with your child's teacher, okay, so how will we do that? So let's have a dialogue. Okay, so dialogue between parent and teacher. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Waiting, 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 waiting. Okay, artificial intelligence is thinking. Parent, hello, can we speak for you? Speak to you. Sorry. Can we speak to you for a moment? Teacher, of course. How can I assist you? We just wanted to have a conversation about our child's progress in your class. Teacher, sure. I'm happy to discuss your child's progress with you. How do you think your child is doing in the class? Parent. Well, we noticed a drop in his grades recently. Okay, we are talking about child single. So there is incorrect, right? There is for plural. It's plural, so it's a plural pronoun. Okay, so I have also noticed that his grades have slipped a bit. Have you spoken to your child about this? Parent, yes, we have, but we would like to know if there is anything that we can do to help. Teacher, I appreciate your concern. I suggest that you encourage your child to attend after school tutoring sessions and complete his homework on time. There is wrong. Also, please keep in touch with me about his progress so that we can work together to help him improve. Thank you for your suggestion. We'll definitely encourage your child to attend tutoring sessions, complete homework on time. We appreciate your help. You are welcome. Please feel free to contact me anytime if you have any further concerns or questions. Together, we can help your child succeed. Fantastic. Okay. So now this is the dialogue which is given to you by ChatGPT. Please do not deteriorate your thinking or stagnate your thinking ability. Use your thinking and put it in the conversation as well. That's how it can be a collaborative teaching effort. Using ChatGPT as a tool, using your creative ability and your language skills too. And when you combine both, definitely success is yours. Okay, friends? So, well, that's about it in today's video. So, we very well know how can ChatGPT foster our creative thinking. Okay. So, if you have liked my content, please make sure that you like it, subscribe it, and please do not forget to hit that bell button so that you get notifications of every new video that I upload every week diligently just for you guys so that you can uplift your English quotient. Thank you so much, and let's connect soon.